Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to walk you through one of the most essential sets of formulas in Smartsheet Countif and Countifs. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to quickly tally up your tasks, slice and dice your data based on specific criteria, and basically save yourself hours of manual counting. Whether you're tracking projects, team assignments, or anything with lists and criteria, these formulas are game changers. So let's dive right in and start with the basics. If you just want a simple count of the total number of tasks or rows in your sheet, the count formula is your go-to. Think of count as a head count at a meeting. It doesn't care who's present or what they're doing, it just wants to know how many people are in the room. In Smartsheet, the formula looks like this: equals count task ID task ID. Here, you're telling Smartsheet to look down the entire task ID column and count every cell that has data. It smoothly adds them all up for you. In our example, there are 10 tasks, so typing in this formula gives you 10. Super helpful to make sure you're seeing all your tasks, especially in bigger sheets, or if you sometimes forget to scroll all the way to the end. Next, let's turn things up a notch with the Countif formula. This lets you count only the tasks that match a specific criteria. Picture it like asking how many cookies are chocolate chip, not just how many cookies do I have. It's really handy if you want to filter your count based on one condition. For example, maybe you want to know how many tasks are currently assigned to Alice Wong. The formula you'd use is Countif assigned to Alice Wong. What's happening here is Smartsheet scans down the assigned to column and counts only the cells that match Alice Wong, ignoring everyone else. In our sheet, this formula returns 4 because Alice has 4 tasks assigned to her. If your team changes frequently, Countif helps you keep tabs on workloads in just a couple of clicks. Now let's get to the advanced level with Countifs. This one's even more powerful because it lets you layer criteria. That's right, you can count rows that match 2 or more conditions all at once. Think of it like looking for all chocolate chip cookies that are also gluten-free. For our demonstration, suppose you want to count the number of tasks that are both high priority and complete. The formula is equals Countifs priority high status complete. Here, Smartsheet checks each row but only adds it to the total if both conditions are true. It's like ticking off boxes in 2 separate columns and only counting when both are checked. In our example, you'll get back just the tasks that meet both, helping you see at a glance how well you're keeping up with your most urgent work. Some of these steps might seem a tad technical if you're new to formulas, but don't worry. Take your time, double-check your criteria, and remember, if you get an unexpected result, it's usually just a small typo in a column name or a missing quotation mark. With a little practice, these formulas become second nature and they're a huge time saver. That's it for today's walkthrough. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. Let me know if you have any questions down in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into Smartsheet and other productivity tools. See you in the next tutorial.